In this video, I'll show you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. So for example, you can see if someone blocked you if you head over right here to their inbox. And for example, let's try to chat this person. If you were still able to chat them right here and it is actually sent, as of right now, it's been sent, that means that that person hasn't actually blocked you. Another indicator of that is if when you click on their profile right here, and you visit their actual profile, you can still see that they have in here this following option, and you will still be able to see the post that they have created or posted right here. You should be able to actually just like that particular post, and whenever you try to refresh, you can still be updated. You can view their highlights, you can see their followers, as well as the following that they have right here. If you're still able to do that, then you should be able to actually see that they haven't blocked you yet. However, if you're not able to do that, if you won't be able to call them or at all, then that means that they've already blocked you. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like and subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.